We on? Hey everybody, it's me RJ. Today,
Take your mask off.
it's coronavirus time. We gotta have masks.
Okay.
We're all gonna die. Alright, so as you can see, we're fixing a little erosion problem. So what you're gonna need is some biodegradable netting. You're gonna need some biodegradable stakes. You're gonna need some rubber mallets if you're using the plastic biodegradable stakes. You can use the metal ones if that's all you got, but the problem is, then you gotta pull them up later. Okay? So, what we're gonna do here is, we're gonna dig a small trench at the bottom of each area, and then we're gonna have to go around a little up the front. Once we dig that trench, we're gonna take this mesh, are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so we're going to take this mesh, it's inside this green, you roll it out, okay? We're going to dig, we're going to lay the mesh in and roll it this way a little. Pile the new dirt on. Get everything level. You can use a stick and string, some people do that. I don't need to do that, but if you're doing this, you don't know what you're doing. Take a stick, put it in the top, put a stick down here, and run a string so that you know the slope you need, but I can do it by eye. Okay? You might need one to tamper. Helps. You don't have to do it. Use a metal rake to help move it around. The metal tine ones, not the big rake. Those help too. Have like a leaf rake sometimes too. And grass seed. When you're doing this, you want to put grass in the dirt as you're putting it down and mix it all over in it. Tons of grass seed. Okay? So we're digging a trench. We lay it out, put the dirt, and we roll up. Next area, roll up as we do it. You fill the dirt, then you roll it over. After, put it in, stake it in, you're done. It's really that easy, but it's not. Oh, and the other thing you're gonna need, tell me what else you're gonna need. First, you're gonna need to make sure you're not stupid and don't park on the curb because your tires are not gonna be happy. A lot of dirt. Some topsoil. If you're really worried about it, you can get some like compost, topsoil, whatever. Nutrients added. This is regular topsoil, it works fine. Alright? So we'll give you some videos, updates here and there, maybe just pictures, I don't know, and show you the final product, alright? Okay everybody, we got this new fresh powdery topsoil. Still on top of the stuff. Okay? Very good and filled. This is where a tamper comes in handy. For this area, pretty much all my you can hold that mesh in. Okay? After I get this part done, we're going to go ahead and start working on here. We're going to have to measure it out and cut the roll and leave it over here, and then do the next one, measure it out and cut the roll. I'll kind of show you guys in a minute. So we have all of them the length they need to be before we get to town on it, because we can't fill the dirt in if we don't have enough mesh roll. Alright? So we're going to do that. We're going to roll out each one. Do this, cut it, do the next one, get it under, cut it, da-da-da-da-da-da. Alright, be back in a little bit and show you the updates. Okay, so to get most of it done, right here we need to add a little as we roll, put everything up. If you go stand out there, you can see it better. It's real level.
I'm falling.
See it?
Yeah.
Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to take the grass seed. Use a good quality grass seed, we recommend. Chromate Tri-Power, turf type. Do not use Scott's. If you have to use the store brand or something, this is why. Come here. Every seed has a Department of Agriculture inspected, okay? Here's a lot number and somewhere here. And certified, yeah. Certified mixture, blah, 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 whatever, whoever the lot number guy is, okay? Fantasia Tall Fescue, 93%. Motive Tall Fescue, 91% germination. That's the germination rate. That's how much of it. Forenza Tall Fescue, 91%. Germination means 91% of what we put down will grow. Other crop seeds, 0. Inert matter, 1.116. There's dirt, things like that. Weed seeds, 0%. They have to maintain that standard to keep putting it in. They get Department of Agriculture test their crops, okay? And by Scott's, it's like 8% weed seed. So I'm gonna stay away from that, okay? I'm gonna spread this all over here. After we do that, after we tamped it down to give it a new sturdiness, and we're gonna keep going each area, and then we roll, finish the bottom roll, because you can't while you're working here. But that's it. I don't know if you could tell before, it was really gutted. The part of the hill was gone. Now it's pretty good there. I might have to add a few spots here and there as we're rolling, put a little more dirt in the tamp. If you have a roller or a bigger tamper, yeah, it's better for you. That's not what we got to work with. So I'll put the seed down. We'll be back in a few, show you how you roll it up and button everything up, okay? Okay, so as you can see, we filled the hole with the stuff, put the dirt on it, and then roll it over. So it's being held by the dirt, and then I did like every few inches, like 4 or 5, a spike at the bottom. They're more important to have a lot at the bottom just so it holds well and nothing rolls down. And on the furthest outside edges, you want to go closer. Then later you can spread them out throughout the middle just to hold it. But, you know, you just keep going at it. You put it down. These are both biodegradable, so you just put them in. Set it. You just set it.
And forget it.
You ruined it.
I said forget it and forget it.
Me. She ruined it. Now I can't have milk every day. Okay? After you figure that out, as you can see, I had a little, it kind of tore itself where it cut. There's not much I can do there. If I have a little, I think I'll have a little extra, and I'll kind of just set it there and cut it in so it doesn't run over. But there's also landscaping brick here. So I'm going to go up here, walk around, pull this up. And I'm going to wait to roll and put those spikes in. I'm going to put one every so often, but we're going to spike with the other one through them. So I'm going to kind of wait to do these. So, right here, hold it, hold it. Like I said, you want to overlap. Oh, got caught up in it.
It gets caught on you.
You want to overlap it a little, each area. Make sure you put a good amount of grass seed. I'm going to put this, and then I'm going to throw grass seed over the top too. All right. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just rambling. All right, everybody. So I didn't finish because it was getting dark. You saw how I rolled it. You did each one. You left them under. You rolled it, and we rolled fresh dirt and then pieces of the old grass like that. And put all the dirt down. We spread seed everywhere. Made it smooth, as you can see. I don't know if you've seen the pictures. You can really tell. Maybe we'll add the picture of before and after next to each other from here. So take a picture. Go over that way a little. We'll do before and after for the thumbnail, so you can see how bad the erosion was and what it looks like now. Up here. Get all staked down, get everywhere. It's holding solid. I'm not making any smush marks, which is good. Hasn't really rained though or anything in a few days. It's been 2 days, right? 2 days ago.
Yeah.
Here we have a little high, so this is going to sink a little. I'm doing it still. This is right as dark, so I'll probably bring a tamper by, tamp this down better so it's flat like the rest. You see we had a little mess of dirt, but it's dirt, it'll run out of the yard. I'm going to rake and break it up a little. It was pitch black when we finished, like half an hour after sunset or more. So, couldn't tell. Clean up a little of this maybe when we come, but it should be okay. Just dirt and grass and dirt. I'll take a picture from up here somewhere.
I already did.
So they can see the
I already did.
better slope. Look, there's like no dips so far. Hopefully it doesn't settle too much. We tamped it down really good. So that's how you do it. That's how you fix the erosion. I said that. Fold it. Shove dirt in there. You can, the old chunks that you kicked up, stick them back in so that fresh grass is there quicker to come back. Lots of dirt. Fill the holes, tamp it, fill it, tamp it repeatedly. Tamp a little, tamp a little. I don't think I showed any of that because we were so getting to dark. We put a little dirt that deep, tamped it, tamped it, tamped it until we got it all level. Repeatedly. This is ton of dirt down. Probably 50 plus wheelbarrows. And the grass seed, dirt down, and then right as spring comes, before it starts, like February, we're gonna throw a whole bunch of seed over this again to get it an extra little boost. All right, so that's it. You have any questions, ask. I wish I would have covered more, but I covered the first roll, how to basically get it going. I wish I would have got more, but like I said, it got dark. All right, hope this helps you. As always, I'm RJ. Seize day each and every day. Bye-bye.